All right, on the 6x6, we're down to, we've got the centers all done, we've got the edges all done, and now we're down to basically like a 3x3, unless we get some parities. So I solve starting with the white cross, because it's easier sometimes for me on these larger cubes and gripping. To do it the beginner's way, I'll just bring all of the white edges to the top first. And then rotate them around to where they belong. So the green side, see there one extra slice started to move, and I got to be careful with that. This cube moves really nicely, but sometimes if I'm not paying attention, that means I move more slices than I want. So there's the white cross. Now I'll do the F2L. But obviously it's more than 2 layers. It's the first 5 layers actually, and I don't do it probably the most efficiently, but there are 2 slices moved. I didn't want them to. I hate that. All right, that edge pair was done. Here's blue and orange. Let's find the blue and orange edge. It's over here. They're different colors, which is nice. So it means I can just slide this over here, bring it down. This one is the blue and red, which is there. Blue and red edge is there. Since white's on top, I move the edge over so that colors on the side match the face. Whatever color this is, in this case red, I move not toward that same side but away. So I move it toward the orange. I flip the white over on top of it, flip it back, and now they're all together. So I can just insert them there. And we've got one more right there, which is red and green. These are together, so I have to split them up, bring them back. Since this is the same color as these, what I do is position this white opposite an unsolved corner, so that doesn't work. I can move it to here. That works. Then rotate this slice in the direction of the colors, not the white. So I'm going to rotate this slice this way, move this edge around, bring this corner back up to meet it, and then bring it over and insert as per usual. And all of the first 5 layers are done. Now we look at our cases we have here. And it looks like we're going to have a parity. It looks like these 4 are oriented wrong. What I always do, because I don't trust it yet, is I rotate this so that it's the corner piece I'm used to. I do my corner piece move and see if that's fixed it. And it has not, so that means this is parity. So I will do the parity move in a separate video.